Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to yet another video. This is Shadow, and guess what came in the mail? I am building a gaming computer, and I've got myself a 1TB WD Blue hard drive and an HDMI to VGA adapter just in case, because the monitor that I already got is down there. It's a VGA output, and I don't know, just in case I ever upgraded my motherboard. Right now my motherboard has a VGA output, but who knows? I was opening that the complete wrong way. Yeah, but let's get into this, baby. How do we open this? How do we open? Oh, like this. Okay, here we go. Let's get into this, baby. I should probably put the knife down. Oh, really? It's all taken? Okay. Oh, this does itself. I'll just cut it open. Okay. There we go. What did we get first, guys? We've got whatever this is. What is it? Oh, it's our VGA to HDMI adapter? What? Wait, is that the right size? I hope that is. I guess we'll figure it out, huh? Let's open her up in her fancy little package and see. You see inside there? That's how it comes. There's a manual with it. I don't know if I'll need it. Comes with this little stuff over it, you know, just in case. So it stays all glossy and nice. Oh yeah, oh that's glossy. Plastic doesn't feel very high quality, but that's fine for my standards right now. Yeah, I don't think I need much out of there, but let's check out if this baby works. Okay guys, so here I have my adapter, and there's the monitor that I'm using. I'm gonna plug it into my laptop and see if I can project my laptop to the monitor real quick. See if it works out. So let's scooch everything over on my messy kitchen table. That's where I do everything. Scooch everything over just a tad bit. Bring my mouse over here. And so now, let's see if we can fit this good old monitor. Made back in the days of Windows Vista. See that? Vista. Not very well. There you go. Certified for Windows Vista. Now, I'm gonna have to bring everything over here, because I don't have a plug down here for a 3-prong, and that's what the monitor uses. So, be right back. Okay guys, monitor's plugged in. Good to know. Okay guys, we got my laptop down here. We've got monitor down here. So now we are ready to grab the connector, and then let's just go ahead. Oh god, I hope this fits. I don't know if this is the right kind of adapter. Oh, it looks like it will fit. Okay, good. So throw the, I guess we'll do it the dramatic way and wait until the last second. So give me 1 second. Okay guys, moment of truth. We have it here. We're gonna plug it in. Wrong input. Okay. Here we go. Oh god, set my camera down. Plug it in. Oh, it's a device. Whoa, it's worked. Look at this. Yes. Input not support. It looks like you're working to me. Who knows? So, let's get on to our next item, which is our hard drive. So in this box we also have another box. Kind of got a little heft to it, and this would be, yeah, you guessed it, the hard drive. So let's grab our knife, cut here, cut towards myself. I know, not a good idea. Here it is. It's friction-free packaging and everything. kinetic energy free, whatever you want to call it. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. What do you say? Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, look at it. It's a 1 terabyte. Yeah, it's nice. 7,200 RPM. Makes me. Oh, it's. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Guys, I can't wait to build this computer. Let's open this up. Check out what's inside. Well, I guess you know what's inside, but who cares, right? For the fun. Let's rip open its anti-static packaging. Take this baby on out. Oh yeah. It's beautiful. Look at it. 1 terabyte WD Blue hard drive. It's beautiful, guys, isn't it? I'm sorry, I'm cheap. I don't have any money, so it's beautiful. But this 1 terabyte hard drive, 7,200 RPM, should be enough to get you through gaming and your Steam library and all of the above, really. I mean, if you're a gamer and you have a lot of games, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, your Steam library should very well be able to fit on this. So, I mean, there's 64 megabyte cache, SATA new stuff. You've got your little power connector and everything, and you know, your SATA connector and all that stuff. But I mean, it's pretty cool, guys. And this is the first part to my computer build that I'm building, and hopefully I will be getting the rest of the items soon. So yeah, I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, leave a... Okay, wait a minute. I have to put this back into static-free packaging because I don't want it to die. It's fragile and I need to handle it with care, and it's electrostatic sensitive, which is why it's an electrostatic prevention bag. Okay, guys. Wow. I'm just gonna leave this right here on this anti-static table. Actually, I'll throw it back in the box. Guys, I'm putting it all back together. After that beautiful unboxing experience, I can't wait to do it again. I'll tell you that much. There. Anti-static. Once again. Let's throw it all back in there. Let's throw it on back in there, as I was saying a second ago, and put it back in the box. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what other kind of videos you want to make. I will see you all in the next video. This is Shadow, signing off. Boop, boop, boop.